Alon! So for today's video, we will going to unbox a package from
Colgate Philippines.
Colgate Philippines.
For Alon Baby.
Ito na yung nag-message sa akin na magbigay sila ng package for kids. And,
So let's see what's inside.
okay.
Alon, open your box.
Open your box.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
And
Wala.
hello, Bunny. We also have toothpaste for 3 to 5 years old, and this is for Alon, 0 to 2 years old.
Ito 0 to 3 years old. Natural fruit flavor.
Oops.
Kita niyo ba?
Oh, hold your
Wala siya pakialam mo. Ito lang siya sa miming niya.
Mimi. The package also includes the box, this wooden box.
Mimi. Love Mimi. Love mo Mimi? Gusto Mimi? Kain mo na. Wow. Wow.
The box from Colgate.
No.
Thank you, Colgate.
Thank you, Colgate. Ako nag-emote sa ito. Oh, sa ito. Oh. Yay! Wow, nahulog si Mimi. Wow! Colgate! Brush na ikaw, ha?
Ganyan. Tayo mo lang.
Thank you, Colgate!
These are the items inside the box. Baby toothbrush, 0 to 12 months. It is BPA-free and made out of 100% food-grade silicone. It has soft, gentle bristles that help ease the pain of teething. Baby toothpaste, 0 to 2 years. It is fluoride-free and baby-friendly natural flavor. Kids toothpaste, 3 to 5 years. It is age-appropriate fluoride level and kid-friendly natural flavor. Both toothpaste has 0% artificial flavors, preservatives, sweeteners, and colors. And also we have this cute little bunny. Thank you, Colgate Philippines.
Smile ka, be? Sige, smile, be? Wow!
Alon!
Wow! Colgate! Wow, Colgate! Alon? Love. Love mo si Mimi. Love Mimi. Kiss Mimi. Oh, kiss Mimi.
Toothbrush! Hold your toothbrush.
Okay, 0 to 2. Yay! Toothbrush. Wow! Toothbrush si Alon. Brush your teeth.
Brush, brush, brush with Colgate.
Wow! Brush your teeth. Wow! Hey, brush your teeth.
Nako!
Alan, brush your teeth. Yay! Brush, brush, brush. Wow! Wow!